one of my colleagues decided to resign. So today I decided to pick up my camera to show you guys where we are. Actually, I want to show you things I've been doing lately. Hi, yes, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever way it is. I am Blessing, and this is Classical Creativity YouTube channel, where we talk about everything organization, creativity, and teaching with 21st century instruction strategies. So today I decided to pick up my camera. I've been away for quite some time now. I've been silent on this department, this YouTube department, and I know it has been so well with me. So sorry about the background noise. So today I decided to pick up my camera to show you guys where we are. Actually, I want to show you things I've been doing lately. Guys, one of my colleagues decided to resign. So I was asked to take up the role of planning IPC. Yes, I know I've been teaching IPC for some years, but it's quite different from when you're planning a lesson to teach your class than when you are planning for your year group. You know, today is the last week of term 2. So sorry. I've been away for almost 2 terms. I understand, so sorry about that, but right now I'm back, and I'm back with full force, you know. So I have the spelling for the week, which I have already prepared the spelling anchor chart for the whole academic year. Guys, this is one thing I have done, and I'm very thankful to my future self for. So I did this. I showed in one of my videos how I did this and how I put the anchor chart together. Right now I have it in my hand. We are looking at the EY spelling of the long E sound. So I'm going to take some time now because I came very early. I came before 7:30. So sorry, someone is opening his or her door. So I'm going to put this together and put it up on the board, waiting for the children to come in. I also have this planned. This is actually a picture for the long E, which says B, you know. So I'm going to use this as a reminder for the children to always remember that this sound is actually the long E, but the spelling pattern we are looking at is the EY. And some of the rules they need to follow in order to get the spelling right. I've talked about how to create a poster in one of my videos. I will link it on top, above, maybe left or right, whichever way. And then I'll also leave the link to that video in the description of my video, so that you'll be able to find it and watch it if you really want to have this poster size, you know. If you really want to plan a unit, you know, maybe there's a new unit you are really entering into in math, maybe number and place value or geometry unit or whatever, maybe measurements of time and so on and so forth for your year group, you know. There are so many things involved, and today I decided to show you how I plan the lessons and make it easier on myself, easier on my team members, and also get things ready before the unit begins. So I've done this for the 2 units we've done so far since I was asked to take it up, and this is the 3rd unit. Guys, when you do something the first time, the second time, the 3rd time must be very good, you know. So I decided to take you guys along to show you what I do, how I do it, and some of the things that if you're part of the people planning IPC in your school, or maybe you are planning any lesson, how you are going to make it easier on yourself and also on your teammates, so that it will be easier for you guys and also save time. There's a way you can also have a broad view of what is all about that you're teaching. So I'm going to be showing you how I plan the IPC and also help you to understand how this works. Also show you some of the tricks in case or maybe you are planning any subject for your team. So that I will do quickly. I will show you my board, and then I'll be sharing my screen to show you that. Okay guys, I have already set my board for today, being the 27th of March 2023, and we have the spelling of the EY saying the long E sound. We also have a special in between. So at this time, I'm going to use this time to show you what I have planned for the unit, the next unit we're actually looking at, which is creators and communicators. For math, we are going to be identifying penny, pounds, naira, and kobo, and different money, you know. Then for IPC, we will be investigating the effect of surfaces on the speed of a moving toy car. I have my toy car on my desk. I also have that set up. I have some of the materials around. I'm going to also get some other materials ready. I've gone ahead to list some of the words that the children are meant to practice. We usually give these 10 words. Out of the 10, 6 of them have the spelling pattern for the week, and then 2 of them are sight words. I usually write the sight words using different colors. So the first 2 are different, and then the last 2. So that's just how we do it. All right, guys, I've been able to set up the materials for the practical. I'm going now to head over to my computer and show you what I do and how I do it, in case if you really want to plan your unit that way. I think that's just the best thing to do. You can give it a try and see how it works, you know. Okay, guys, I've spent an hour plus working on the unit overview for the next unit that we are actually going to be doing. So I've not really finished. I'm going to complete it and then show you when I am done, so that you see how it works and you'll be able to get yours planned. It is the end of the day. I just finished up with few of my math reports. We are reporting right now. I am almost done with my general comment. I just took some time to review some of the questions the children didn't really get. So I took out some of those targets. I'm going to reteach them again. Okay, guys, this is where I am. I've been working on this document for some time now. I went to the IPC website. Then I was able to collect the information from the core document. And this is part of IPC 2020. This unit is going to run for 6 weeks. I was able to download the document, and this unit, creators and communicators, is a MyPost 1 unit. So it has every IPC unit starts with entry point, knowledge harvest, and explaining the theme. So that's just that. I also have the tasks and targets breakdown. Here I have the entry point, knowledge harvest, and explaining the theme, which will happen in the first week. And I'm supposed to create materials for entry point, which I haven't done. I will do that during the holiday. Therefore, the first subject, which is health and well-being, I've been able to look at the tasks that we're actually going to be doing. We have 4 tasks plus the extension task, after which we will move on to the history task, which has only 3 tasks plus the insertion task, making it 4. And lastly, the international, which is only just 2 tasks and extension tasks. So here we have the tasks for the subjects I and my team people will be teaching. Also have the exit point and reflection. Now, in all these subjects that are listed here, there are assessments the children are going to be doing. We have the self-assessment, and then for the teachers to assess the children's knowledge of what they have learned already. So that's just that. The next thing I'm going to do is to create lessons and slides, plus all the projects I'm going to be creating for display purposes. That's just my next plan, which I'm going to be doing next week. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video and for supporting my YouTube channel. I am Blessing, and this is Classical Creativity YouTube channel. In this channel, we talk about everything organization, creativity, and using these 21st century instruction strategies to teach. If you're a teacher and a mom, you can benefit from some of the contents I put up on this channel. I'll be heading home right now. My next video is going to be all about the first week of lesson. So if you want to see that video, consider subscribing. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Share the video with your teacher friends if you are a teacher, and I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed evening. Bye.